Hello and welcome to channel Anak-Anak-Mama.tv. Today we will make Oreo sushi rolls. To make Oreo sushi rolls, we have to prepare 2 ingredients. First, it's Oreo. Second, it's milk. Now we have to remove the cream from the Oreo. Put it in the separate bowls. Now we finished, and now we blend the biscuit. Now we put some milk. Now we blend it again. Open. Push. Now we use our hands to mix the Oreo. Now we put some milk in the cream and then we mix it.
Next we're gonna put the blended Oreo in the plastic roll it. And then we're gonna cut the plastic. And then we're gonna spread the cream.
So creamy.
And now we're going to roll it like a sushi. And then we're going to wrap it and freeze it for 1 hour.
Now let's cut it. Now let's eat it. Let's try one.
You don't have? Kasihan.
It's so good. It tastes like
Oreo. Oreo.
It tastes like ice cream Oreo.
You have or no?
Thanks guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.